channel Cook with Millie. Here is where we cook the easiest meals with the easiest ingredients. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe, share, like and comment on the video. Don't forget to put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, for today's video, I'm just going to show you on how you can marinate and deep fry your kienyeji chicken. Okay, kama mnavyoona nina kuku yangu na ni ya kienyeji, nimeitayarisha na iko tayari kwa viungo. So I'm just going to show you the first step, vile utaiboil ukimix vitu zako zote, alafu uiboil, then I'll show when we come back after some 20 minutes, I'll show you the next step. Vile utafanya your kuku ikue crispy, crunchy, okay? So onto our ingredients. My main ingredient here is my kienyeji chicken, and as you can see, I've just gone ahead and cut some, you see, I've just gone ahead nikakata ani some spaces, ndio by the time inachemuka hizo ingredients, you know, the utamu, the spices, the what inaingia kwa kuku yetu, ani the marination inaingia vizuri kwa kuku, okay? So I have my kienyeji chicken, okay? Niko na maziwa, milk. I have some water, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water, and I have 2 cloves of garlic, and in here I have a mixture of salt to taste and some black pepper, 1/4 of a spoon of black pepper, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead, start with my milk. I think I'll use that one is enough, a half cup of that, and also half cup of water, like so. Add my garlic and salt and black pepper, like so. Mix everything together, changanya vizuri. So naenda kuwekelea kwa moto kuku yetu ichemke for 15 to 20 minutes. Chemke for, let's say 20 minutes, okay? Just turn on your heat and ikwe on a low heat to prevent it from overflowing. Unajua isimwagike by the time inachemka, isi overflow, okay? Just cover it, wait time ichemke vizuri hivi, ndio hizo nini zetu zingie ndani vizuri ingredients. We are back guys after 20 minutes. Alafu niliacha kuku ipoe kiasi, and sasa tumerudi, and as you can see our next step inaka different. I just want to show you some things here. Naenda kutumia, niko na corn flour. Unaweza pata corn flour supermarkets by the way, ama you can just use the normal one. Iko fine kabisa, the corn flour I'm using now. The corn flour. I have my spices here with me. I have some rosemaries. I have salt there to taste. I have black pepper. I have my paprika, and I have my garlic powder. Okay? Not forgetting my bread crumbs. Hapo ndio maji kutokea. And my 2 eggs, the beaten one. the 2 eggs. Okay, so kuki yetu iliiva. Let me just show you. Hizi ndio results za kuki yetu. Okay, so I'm just going to transfer them onto another bowl. Onto another bowl, like so. And go ahead and add my spices onto the corn flour. Okay, like so. Mix everything together. Mix everything together. Ndio ukidip kuku yako kwa hii, ile taste ya rosemary, paprika, garlic inatokea, inasikika. Take your time and just mix everything together, okay? Like so. Okay, after mixing everything together, go ahead, kuku yako hiyo, and cut it. Take a piece, cut it kwa ile hiyo unga yetu, like so. My hands are clean. I always tell you nimeosha mikono. Like so. Udip kwa mayai. Dip kwa mayai, and then to the bread crumbs. Dip kwa bread crumbs hivi. Transfer to another plate. Continue with the process. Ile uzuri iko hapa, you just can't afford to miss this recipe out. Try it for your family. Like so. Sio kazi ngumu. Just continue the process until you finish all your pieces of meat. Cut your flour. After so, dip in your eggs. Like so. Evil. Hey, kuku yetu inakaa poa. Just look at this. Looks amazing. Ooh. Time to deep fry them. Ziko well cut. Kwa breadcrumbs, kwa mayai, kwa flour. Unajua zile spices ziko hapo ndani. So we just want to go ahead and deep fry this. Okay? Okay. Iko fiti. Iko sawa kabisa. I'm going ahead ni add hizi kuku yetu. Be keen. You don't want to burn yourself, okay? Dip your pieces like so in the hot oil. Perfect. Give it time. Until ikuwe golden brown. Our amazing color yenye tunapenda kwa food. Try this at home, guys, and tell me on the comment section below about your results, okay? I'll be so glad to read your comments. Please tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Let's grow our family, okay? So, haihitaji kukaa kwa mafuta sana. A duration of 3 minutes is enough. Alafu una turn the other side, okay? Ona. Because tulishaichemusha, so haihitaji kukaa kwa mafuta sana. Our aim ni kulet hizo nini spices, breadcrumbs na nini flour iive. So by now una turn tu na vile inakaa poa. The golden color is popping out. Wow, so amazing. Try this out, you'll be amazed by the results, guys. Make this for your family. Wasay, after 3 minutes, iko perfect. Time to turn off your heat. Wow. Ooh. Manze, inakaa poa. Kuku yetu iko tayari kuliwa. It's so crunchy, it's so crispy. Just go and try this recipe out. Okay? Nana. So crunchy, so crispy. Nana. And also soft inside. Just go and try this at home and tell me the results. I'll be so glad to read your comments. Kama kawaida. Guys, subscribe, share, like, and don't forget to comment on the video. Until to my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye!
These my dollars make it hurt.